Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Adjusting orientation and margins. In the Page Layout tab, you can see under the Page Setup section the option for margins and orientation. Let us look at orientation. When you click on orientation, you can see there are two options. One is portrait and the other is landscape. Portrait will have longer but narrower pages. Landscape will have wider but shorter pages. Let us see how portrait looks in the print preview. This is how the portrait looks. And in the landscape mode, the print preview shows us wider but a shorter page. We can change this orientation here as well in the print preview from portrait to landscape or landscape to portrait. The next option is margin. We have three options here: normal, wide, and narrow. When we select narrow, it narrows down the margins and increases the amount of space in the page where we can print. Usually, to improve the scale when you're using scale to fit, narrow option is a good one. Usually we use the normal option. This was orientations and margins in printing Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.